What up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, and today, after 1 month of using Apple Plus Fitness, we're going to talk about is it worth it and should you get it? Let's get into it. Alright, so Apple Plus Fitness. First of all, what is it? Well, it's Apple's own subscription-based service that puts out fitness and workout videos in a plethora of different options. They have dance, they have yoga, they have cycling, they have core, they have strength, they have treadmill, they have HIIT workouts, and they have many different trainers, both male and female, specific for beginners to advanced in a variation of different times and lengths. So options are not minimal here. You have so many different options of workouts and intensities and all different things that you can choose from. In addition, they're going to be adding more workouts every single week, so this library is even going to get more expansive as time goes on. First off, let's start with the trainers, and I actually found them pleasantly enjoyable. They weren't that old school rah motivational type, really push, yell at you type instructors that I frankly find annoying sometimes. Like, I don't want to be yelled at all the time. That's not the best way to motivate me. So these instructors were all really refreshing and enjoyable and very positive. I actually found myself being in better moods. Now, I don't know if that's the dopamine or pheromones or whatever it is that comes along with working out, or if it was the instructors themselves, but I genuinely found myself being in bad mood sometimes, going through a workout and coming out the other side being all sunshine and rainbows. So it was quite nice. And they actually have a lot of variety. There's men, there's women, there's people that specialize in dance or treadmills or whatever type of workouts you're looking for. So overall, I would rate the trainers an A+. Let's talk about the workouts themselves. There's so many different varieties of workouts. It's hard to really pinpoint one. But for me personally, I really like the HIIT or the high intensity training type workouts. And on Apple Plus, there was no shortage of them. Many different instructors were available, many different lengths of time, which is what I like the most. If I had only 10 minutes to work out, they had a video available. If I had 30 minutes, they had a video available. They had a lot of different things that I could choose from. In addition, I really like that in each video, they had a more beginner type option and then an advanced type option. So no matter where you are in your journey, you had an instructor that you could follow along with. In terms of needing equipment and that sort of thing, well, yes, you can need equipment for certain videos, like a treadmill workout. You'll need a treadmill, or for a cycling workout. But in general, you could use just body weight. You can use dumbbells. They have different workouts for all the different equipment that you may have, including a rowing machine, which who the hell has a rowing machine at home, and who wants to go to a gym on a rowing machine and then whip out an iPad? I don't know, but whatever. They have it and it's available. So if that's you, go to work, baby, go to work. A thing I really love about it is the Apple Watch integration. Now, that's really the staple of this platform. You can use it without an Apple Watch, but it's such a more immersive and interactive experience when you have an Apple Watch paired with your device that you're watching on. Now, you can watch Apple Fitness Plus on really any Mac device, an iPad or your computer or an Apple TV, whatever it is that you have Mac, you can rock Apple Fitness Plus on that. And the integration with the Apple Watch is really superb. In the top left of every video, they do a really good job integrating the Apple Watch. You will see the statistics that are read from your Apple Watch. So you see the elapsed time that's gone by, the time for maybe the next workout or next exercise within your workout. You'll also see the calories burned and your real-time heart rate at all times. So that's something really unique that Apple brings to the table that you're not going to find in other fitness videos. In addition, on the top right of every video, you're going to see the rings and metrics integrated. So you're going to see if you're closing your ring, if you're hitting your workout goals and your step goals or whatever it is that you have set up. Those are all integrated into each and every video. So again, another excellent job making it an interactive experience. Now, that's not even the thing I love most about Apple Plus Fitness. What I love most is actually the integrated of Apple Music. And this is something that I found just so far ahead of any other workout platform. And that may be just because I'm a music junkie and I love good music. But, you know, in other workout videos and other platforms, you're going to have kind of generic music that's not copywritten and that's not, you know, mainstream or whatever type music that you want to listen to. In fact, most of the time it's that cheesy electro dance pump up music, and it's just, you know, kind of annoying. It doesn't really motivate me. But in Apple Plus Fitness, Every single music playlist that's in each video is hand selected by the instructor, and they do a really fantastic job. Because it's Apple Music, they have all the main artists. They have their full open library of Apple Music available at their fingertips, and it's just so pleasant to be able to jam out to a hip hop track or a country track or a dance track or a pop track or a throwback old school. Every workout has a playlist that they describe with that, and so that could be a choosing factor when you're picking out your videos. I found this to be the most enjoyable experience of Apple Music. I'm not having to choose my music and throw headphones in on top of a workout video. No, I actually enjoy the music and can go along with the workout video. So it's all just one experience. And to me, that's worth the $10 subscription fee alone and sets it apart from any other fitness type program. I will say the thing that it does lack is the user control, where I can't pick music or change tracks if I didn't like something. But again, you know, maybe that comes down the line with different upgrades. Another thing I really loved is something called the burn bar, and that's on the top left underneath your statistics. And what the burn bar does is it compares your performance and your real-time performance to others in your age and weight class. So it gives you a sense of competition, you know, kind of like the Peloton or others, where you can see how others are doing and how you're doing in comparison to them. Me being a competition junkie, that burn bar really pushes me to just push and to beat whoever is in my age class out there. I don't know who it is that's on that burn bar, but I have to beat them, and it really does help push me. Another thing, as a videographer, photographer type, I will say Apple Plus Fitness does a really good job of putting out quality content. All the videos are in this beautifully shot studio. The lighting is excellent. It's not that old school looking videos. No, it's really modern, sleek, beautifully shot, really good audio. They do a really, really nice job. So overall, the quality is A+. Something that, I don't know, maybe I'm more picky than others, but it's something that I noticed and that I really enjoy. Now, overall, is it worth the money? And that's the key question. Is it worth the $10 a month? It's difficult to say. First of all, I would say the really big X factor is, do you have an Apple Watch? That's kind of the really immersive, interactive piece that you need to get your stats onto the screen. That's a big, you know, deciding factor for you. If you don't have that, that really takes out a big feature that Apple Plus Fitness brings to the table. So I would say if you're not an iOS Apple Watch user, I'd really think twice about it. Maybe this isn't the best platform for you. But if you do have an Apple Watch and you are deep in the Mac ecosystem, I would say Apple Plus Fitness is definitely a must try. You can cancel at any time for $10 a month. I would give it a shot, try it a couple months and see how you like it. Really, if it betters your physical fitness and helps you be more active every day, absolutely, it's worth it for me. But you know, also I would look at the fact that I have it integrated into my Apple One subscription, which also gives me some memory and some other additional software features. So really the Apple Plus Fitness is like a $5 upgrade or something than what I was paying before. And that's even more worth it for the value. So I will say some things that add to the value is if you have some equipment, if you have some yoga mats, if you have some dumbbells, if you maybe have some resistance bands or maybe a stationary bike, you know, those things open the doors to more workouts available. So I'll link some of that equipment below, but it's definitely not a necessity, not something you need to get started and enjoy the fitness program. So that's all I got. That's my review for the Apple Plus Fitness. If you enjoyed this, I brought you some value, hit me with a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Go close those rings. That's what they say at the end of every video. Next time, guys. Peace.